Are you looking to create a toxin-free lifestyle but don't have the time to do it?
Keep trying, I'm not going anywhere.
Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth, and this is why I created the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. Every day we use toxic chemicals to clean our home, but I'm here to tell you there's a better solution. The Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box teaches you how to use essential oils to make your own cleaning products. And the best part is that you get to make the recipes yourself, so you definitely know what's in them. With over 5,000 5-star reviews, people have been loving switching to a natural lifestyle with Simply Earth. You'll make these fun recipes and get everything you need with this month's recipe box. If you deserve a healthier home, subscribe to the Simply Earth Recipe Box today.
High quality oils, pure.
Each month you get 4 oils and recipes and things to make your recipes.
13% of their profits go to ending human trafficking.
Oh my goodness! Oh, I can't wait to use this.
The new theme each month, you'll learn how to actually use your oils. You get to make fun recipes because you get all the ingredients you need. And you don't have to go to a party to get pressured to buy things, but you still get to have fun. Plus, you can cancel anytime without the commitment it takes to join an MLM company. You'll save money, get the confidence that comes with a toxin-free lifestyle, and get everything you need to make the recipes delivered right to your door.
It's here! And how much is it?
You get over $100 value for only $29.99 with your first box. Wow! Big bonus box, hero course, essential oil community, exclusive discounts, free shipping, and a no-risk guarantee.
Are these even pure?
Each oil is 100% pure and backed by a GCMS test. Just enter the code on your bottle onto our website and you'll see the GCMS test result. Here are the oils in this month's recipe box. Homebody is our essential oil blend that's super calming. Yes, please. Orange essential oil is super refreshing and it's great for cleaning. Black pepper helps support circulation and boosts energy. And our Clean and Fresh blend is our custom blend made especially for making your own cleaning products. Yes, let's go. But wait, there's more. You even get these fun extras like our laundry detergent sheets, this cute dishcloth, Castile soap, and our new dishwasher tablets. Want clean hands without the toxins? Make this foaming hand wash with this month's recipe box. Does your laundry need a fresher scent or softer touch? Use essential oils with this laundry sheet to give your clothes that fresh smell. No synthetic fragrances, fillers, toxic chemicals ever! Don't wait, this box will sell out fast.
Okay.